Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a crucial piece of gear for any driver car jump starter power banks. Whether you're stuck with a dead battery or need to charge your devices on the go, these handy tools can save the day. So let's count down the top 5 best car jump starter power banks, exploring their pros and cons along the way. Let's get started. Number 5 on our list is the Suitu car jump starter power bank. The Suitu car jump starter power bank is a versatile and practical device designed for emergency vehicle starts, mobile charging, and even inflating tires. With a 20,000 Xanene capacity, a 150 psi air compressor, and multiple safety features, it's built to keep you prepared on the road. Let's explore the pros and cons of this multifunctional tool. Pros: high-capacity battery. The 20,000 mAh battery capacity makes this power bank a reliable choice for charging devices multiple times and for providing sufficient power to jumpstart a car. It also serves as an emergency backup for other USB-powered devices. Versatile air compressor. With a built-in 150 psi air compressor, the Suitu car jump starter can be used for inflating car tires, bike tires, and other inflatables. This feature is particularly useful for drivers who frequently travel or for those who want a portable solution for tire maintenance. LED light and work light indicator. Equipped with an LED light and a work light indicator, this device provides essential illumination for nighttime emergencies or low visibility situations. It can be helpful for jump starting or tire inflation in the dark, enhancing safety. Convenient 12V car jump start output. The 12V jump start output provides enough power to start most vehicles, including cars, trucks, and motorcycles. This feature can be a lifesaver in emergency situations where a dead battery might otherwise leave you stranded. Compact and portable design. Despite its power and features, the Suitu car jump starter is compact enough to fit easily in the trunk or glove compartment. Its portability makes it a handy companion for road trips or everyday commutes. Cons: limited safety features. While the Suitu jump starter is designed to perform well, it lacks advanced safety features found in some other models, such as automatic shut-off in case of incorrect operation or built-in overload protection. These omissions mean users must rely on careful adherence to instructions. The Suitu car jump starter power bank is a versatile tool that combines jump-starting, device charging, and tire inflation in one portable package. Its high-capacity battery and practical features make it a strong choice for drivers seeking preparedness on the road. Number 4 is the Buvaye YX1920 car jump starter power bank. The Buvaye YX1920 car jump starter power bank is a versatile device that combines a car jump starter, tire inflator, and portable power bank in one compact unit. Designed for emergencies, this multifunctional tool boasts a powerful 2000 current, turbocharged air pump, and smart safety features, making it a practical addition to any car emergency kit. Here's a breakdown of its key features, along with the pros and cons. Pros: reliable jump starting power. With a 2000 current, the Buvaye YX1920 can jumpstart a stalled engine quickly, even in challenging situations such as extreme temperatures or after prolonged inactivity. This powerful current provides reassurance for users who frequently drive in diverse climates or own older vehicles. Efficient and fast inflation. The 19-cylinder turbocharged air pump inflates tires quickly with a rate of 40 min. It can bring a 195/65 R15 tire from 0 to 35 psi in just 5 minutes, saving time and effort during emergencies. The automatic shut-off and error margin of less than 1% make it a convenient option for drivers looking for an accurate and hassle-free tire inflation solution. Comprehensive battery protection. The smart emergency clamps come with 10 built-in safety features including anti-spark, reverse polarity, overcurrent, and short-circuit protection. This adds a layer of security for users and helps prolong the life of their vehicle's battery, making it a safer option for novice users or those with less experience with car jump starters. Clear LED digital display. The large LED display offers real-time pressure readings and preset values, making it easy to monitor tire pressure accurately. The auto-stop feature prevents overinflation, providing peace of mind when inflating tires. Portable power bank functionality. The Buvaye YX1920 also functions as a power bank with a 5V2A output capable of charging mobile phones and other devices. This adds versatility, allowing users to charge essential devices during roadside emergencies. Cons: charging time. With multiple functions including jump starting and inflating, the device may require extended charging periods to maintain full power. For users who require frequent use of these functions, this could mean more downtime waiting for recharges. The Buvaye YX1920 car jump starter power bank is an excellent tool for drivers who value a versatile, all-in-one emergency device. Its powerful jumpstart capabilities, efficient air pump, and built-in safety features make it highly reliable for diverse conditions. Coming in at number 3 is the Utrai JS9 car jump starter power bank. The Utrai JS9 car jump starter power bank is a powerful emergency tool designed for drivers needing a reliable multifunction device on the road. Equipped with a 1500 jump starter, a 150 psi air pump, and a portable power bank, this all-in-one solution aims to provide convenience and peace of mind during emergencies. Let's break down the pros and cons to see if this product is the right fit for your vehicle needs. Pros: reliable jump starting power. The Utrai JS9's 1500 jump starting power is sufficient for jump starting most cars, motorcycles, trucks, and SUVs. This makes it ideal for drivers needing a reliable boost for their vehicle in case of battery issues. Efficient 150 psi air pump. With a maximum pressure of 150 psi, the air pump is effective for inflating a wide range of tires and inflatables. This feature is particularly convenient for drivers who need a quick tire inflation on the go, eliminating the need for a separate tire inflator. Multifunction power bank. The Utrai JS9 doubles as a portable power bank, allowing users to charge their mobile devices in emergencies. This adds versatility, especially useful in situations where a phone needs charging to call for help or navigation. User-friendly design. The all-in-one design integrates jump-starting, tire inflation, and device charging into a compact unit, which can be stored easily in a trunk or glove box. This is ideal for drivers looking to minimize the number of separate tools they carry. Ideal for emergency preparedness. Having a jump starter, air pump, and power bank in one device provides drivers with a well-rounded emergency kit, allowing them to tackle various car issues without relying on roadside assistance. This device is valuable for solo travelers, camping trips, or any driver who prefers self-sufficiency on the road. Cons: noise levels during inflation. The air pump, although efficient, can be relatively noisy during operation. This could be an inconvenience for users inflating tires late at night or in quiet settings, as the sound may draw attention or cause discomfort. The Utrai JS9 car jump starter power bank is an excellent choice for drivers who value a well-rounded, multifunction emergency device. With reliable jump-starting power, an efficient air pump, and a portable power bank, this device is particularly well-suited for drivers looking for a one-stop solution to handle vehicle and device issues on the road. Number 2 is the Topdon JS3000 car jump starter power bank. The Topdon JS3000 car jump starter power bank is an all-in-one power solution designed to tackle dead batteries with ease while doubling as a flashlight and emergency signal. With a 3000 amp peak cranking power and 24,000 mAh battery capacity, this device is robust enough to jumpstart large vehicles, making it a solid tool for drivers, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts. Here's an in-depth look at its strengths and weaknesses. Pros: impressive power for large engines. The 3000 peak cranking amps provide ample power to jumpstart large vehicles including 9L gas and 7L diesel engines. This makes it an excellent choice for both everyday drivers and those with larger vehicles like trucks, RVs, or even boats. High battery capacity. With a capacity of 24,000 mAh, the JS300000 is not only a reliable jump starter but also a capable power bank for extended use. It can support up to 45 jumps on a single charge, which is ideal for longer trips or emergencies where multiple starts may be needed. Versatile LED flashlight with SOS mode. The 400-lumen flashlight provides ample illumination for nighttime situations, and the SOS function is particularly valuable in emergencies. This feature adds a layer of safety, making the JS300000 one-click boost for quick start. The one-click boost function allows users to quickly jumpstart a vehicle without fuss, making it highly convenient in urgent situations. This feature is particularly useful for those who may not be familiar with jumpstarting or simply need a quick solution. Cons: while heavier and bulkier design. Given its high power output and battery capacity, the JS3000 is larger and slightly heavier than many other portable jump starters. Although this adds to its durability and capability, it might be less convenient for those seeking a more compact, lightweight option. The Topdon JS3000 car jump starter power bank is a robust and reliable device designed to tackle a wide range of power needs. With its impressive 3,000 cranking amps, high-capacity battery, and versatile flashlight, it's well-suited for users with larger vehicles or those who want an all-in-one emergency tool. And finally, our number one pick is the Baseus BS-CH001 car jump starter power bank. The Baseus BS-CH001 car jump starter power bank is an emergency device designed for drivers seeking a reliable and multifunctional jump starter. With its powerful 2,000 peak current, high-capacity 20,000 mAh battery, and dual USB outputs, this unit offers a versatile solution for jump-starting cars, charging devices, and providing light during emergencies. Here's a breakdown of its pros and cons to help you determine if it's the right fit for your needs. Pros: high peak current for quick jump starts. With a 2,000 peak current, the Baseus BS-CH001 delivers enough power to quickly jumpstart gasoline engines up to 6.0 L, making it suitable for a variety of vehicles. The high current ensures fast ignition, which is especially helpful in time-sensitive situations. Impressive 20,000 mAh battery capacity. The 20,000 mAh battery capacity can provide over 50 starts for smaller engines, ensuring the jump starter is ready whenever needed. This large capacity also reduces the frequency of recharges, making it an ideal option for extended trips or outdoor adventures. Dual USB ports for device charging. The jump starter's dual USB outputs allow users to charge two devices simultaneously, making it a versatile power bank in addition to its jump-starting capabilities. This is convenient for charging phones, tablets, and other devices on the go, especially when access to a power source is limited. Effective in cold temperatures. Equipped with high-rate safety polymer cells, the Baseus BS-CH001 performs reliably in sub-zero temperatures. This is a crucial feature for drivers in colder climates where car batteries may frequently fail. Intelligent digital display. The built-in intelligent digital display keeps users informed about the battery status and remaining power, ensuring they know when the device needs charging. This feature adds transparency so you're never caught off guard with a low battery jump starter. Cons. Moderate charging speeds. While the dual USB outputs are convenient, they offer moderate charging speeds. This may be slower for high-capacity devices or when charging multiple devices simultaneously. The Baseus BS-CH001 car jump starter power bank is an ideal choice for drivers looking for a reliable and powerful jump starter with versatile power bank capabilities. Its 2,000 peak current and 20,000 mAh battery make it a strong choice for those who value quick starts, device charging, and cold weather reliability.